In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do members-only live streams on Patreon. If you want to create a live stream that only your supporters can access, Patreon makes that process pretty straightforward. The main idea is that you'll create a new post, choose the live stream option, decide how you want to broadcast, set the audience, and then finish the event details before going live or scheduling it for later. To get started, head into Patreon and click Create. From there, select Post and then choose Live Stream. This opens the setup flow specifically for live content. If you've made regular posts before, this will feel familiar, but here you'll be using the live stream format so Patreon can manage access for your members and present the stream correctly on your page. Next, choose your streaming setup. Patreon typically gives you a few ways to do this, depending on what works best for your workflow. You can use your computer's webcam if you want a simple built-in option. You may also be able to stream through the mobile app if you prefer broadcasting from your phone. And if your setup is more advanced, you can hook up an encoder like OBS using stream keys, if that option is supported. The best choice here really depends on the kind of stream you're running. A webcam setup is quick and easy, while an encoder gives you more control over scenes, audio, and overall production quality. After that, go to the audience section. This is the key part if you want the live stream to be members only. Here you can choose the specific paid membership tiers that should have access, or you can select an option for paying members only. This lets you control exactly who can join the stream, which is especially useful if you offer live streams as a perk for certain supporters. Take a moment here to double check your selection so the right members can get in. Once the audience is set, fill out the rest of the event details. Add your title, write a clear description, and upload a thumbnail. These details matter more than you might think because they help members understand what the live stream is about and make the event look polished and inviting. When everything looks good, you can either hit go live right away or schedule the event for a future date and time. And that's it. That's how to set up a members-only live stream on Patreon. If you want the smoothest experience, it's always a good idea to review your setup carefully before starting, especially your audience settings and streaming methods so your members can join without any confusion.